Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl, Sweets the Queen, DIY. Welcome back to my channel. This one today, you guys, is an oldie but goodie. You know what I'm saying? I had this in my phone. I had it for a while, and I've needed to get it out to y'all. I've been trying to, get my life together and all that, y'all. But, it's a lot going on. The kids, and then I was sick. It was a lot going on. So today I'm making a poster that I got off of Amazon. It's a, Black Girl Magic poster that I was making for my daughter's room that I decided I didn't want to put it on the wall. It was wall decal. I didn't want to put it on the wall and then, it gets stuck there forever and you can't take it down. So I decided to put it on a poster board first. And then, so I can easily take it off and take it down, like it's something that she can keep, versus once you put it on the wall it's just stuck there. So right now I'm taking some contact paper, pink contact paper, and I'm basically making a frame for the poster, for the white poster board with the pink contact paper. So here is the pretty Black Girl Magic wall decal that I got off of Amazon. It just has like little sayings like, for, Black Girl Magic. Like things like blessed, talented, just little affirmations that, a black girl could enjoy looking at every day. And give like encouragement and proudness of your culture, and like I've said before in videos, like this is not just a black girl thing. White girls, Hispanic girls, Asian girls, all girls should feel proud to be who they are, proud of themselves, where they're from, their background. This is everybody, So here I'm just carefully trying to pull the sticker from the decal without pulling off too much. I really tried to lay it like wallpaper type of thing, but it kind of wasn't working out for me that well. I did struggle a little bit. If I were to do this again, I would probably... I probably would make sure I take off both sides. You see I'm struggling right here. I probably would take off both sides, make sure it's laying down before I try to pull or unroll the white paper from underneath. But I really tried to use my wallpaper skills with this, you guys, and it was kind of difficult. As you guys can see, I had to end up pulling it back off, okay? Do not let the speed fool you, okay? This was a struggle, okay? These things are so sticky, which I guess, is a good thing, essentially. But it's like as soon as it gets caught on the wrong thing, it's sticking, you guys. So you guys have to be very, very careful with these wall decal stickers. The vinyl, plastic, I had to end up pulling it up, laying it back down, trying to get air bubbles out, things like that. So be very, very, very careful with these, you guys. And this was a 4-part one. This was a 4-parter, so it definitely, look, you can see, you guys, like I said, do not let the speed fool you. I was struggling. So around here I started running out of poster board and space, so I went and added an extra little piece of extender poster board to extend the wall decal. And I also can't forget to make space for the pink border of the contact paper that I was doing. So here I'm just trying to, smooth over and straighten out everything that I can, to the best of my abilities. I didn't have any scraper or anything, but there was a little air bubbles and air pockets. Right now I'm just setting the stage and cutting up the pieces for the other side of the border, the pink contact paper pieces. To give the poster a little 3D effect, I took like the little corners of her hair, the afro of the sticker, and I put it on top of the border in front of it to give it a little 3D pop effect. Okay, you guys, so here we're moving on to the top part of the decal. And like the other side with the afro, I put it on top of the border. I did the same on this side with the bow to give it a little 3D effect. Oh, look how it's coming out so cute. Like I said, you guys, the struggle was real, okay? Real. But it's coming out so cute, you guys. Look, she looks so adorable, just like my daughters. Yay! So around here, you guys, I'm taking another little piece of poster board because, baby girl has a big afro, so it's coming a little above the paper. So I just cut a little strip of poster board to go behind the little part that's overlapping the edge of the main poster board. I really tried my best to not have that gap there, but I think it's like still a little gap there anyway, but I really tried to close it up the best I could. I did not expect this decal to come in 4 pieces the way that it did. I thought it was one just big piece, but I was surprised when I opened the wrapper paper. Okay, you guys, so here I am getting to the last 4th piece of the poster board, the wall decal, and bear with me, it's round 4. You guys, I was trying my absolute best right here to match these afro pieces up the best way that I could without having, they were already like wrinkling and folding a little bit. And like I said earlier, these things are so sticky. It's like once it gets stuck to the wrong thing, may God be with you, because they're super stuck. So I really was trying to be careful right here, you guys. Tried to do my last little smoothing out, the best that I could. Like I said, I didn't have a scraper or anything like that, or any of those flat hard things that you use to lay wallpaper, those little scrapes, or you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I tried to smooth it out and get those air bubbles out the best that I could. Here I'm taking a pair of scissors, and I'm cutting out the shape of the afro, and I'm also cutting out pieces to move over to the other side to stick behind that piece of afro that's coming above the poster board. You know, little scrap pieces that I knew that I would have to use, like, you know, to give it like a cutout 3D effect. You know what I'm saying, you guys? Here I'm going in with the last bit of pieces of the border to complete the border look. Here I'm cutting off some more little pieces of poster board to put on those overlapping pieces of sticker that overlap to the sides and the top of the poster board. And here it is, you guys, the finished poster. And I think it is so cute. I am blessed, I am enough, I am unique, I am fearless. So many positive affirmations that any little kid, no matter what color they are, should be able to look at and appreciate on their wall. This is totally renters friendly. Like I said in the beginning, you guys, it didn't matter, like, you know, black, white, Asian, Hispanic, any type of girl, any type of person should be able to see something like this on their wall and be proud and be happy. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate you guys tuning in. I will be back, you know, trying to push out some more videos for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to Sweets the Queen DIY.